guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by, and just wanted to say I hope you guys will give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel to grow. This product is vegan and cruelty-free, and the idea of this is that you put it on your lips and it actually stains your lip, whatever color you choose, and so you end up with a lip color that lasts all day. And the company claims that it's transfer proof, smudge proof, and that it will last all day for you. So I ended up getting two different colors. I got Romance, which is a muted pink color, and then I got another one that you're gonna see me apply in this video, and that one is Neon Pink. I don't think it looks neon. I would have probably called it poppy or something like that. It's just a nice bright pink. So anyway, let me show you how it goes on. So you can see here that I am just carefully applying the product to my lips. You may have to dip back into the tube to get a little bit more on. And if you happen to go outside of the lines of your lip, you can quickly take a tissue and just wipe it off to smooth out the edges. Then you let it stay on for 60 seconds. Take a damp tissue and wipe it off. Make sure you get all the little bits off, and there you go. Now the package instructions say that you put it on, let it dry, and then you peel it off, and you can do that, but it really is much more simple than that. You just paint this stuff onto your lips, let it dry for 60 seconds, and use a damp cloth like a tissue, and just wipe it off. And you have this beautiful color on your lips. Now, there's a couple of things I want to let you know. If the color happens to be the wrong color for you, or let's say it's too bright, you can actually continue to wipe at it with a damp tissue, and it will make the color settle down for you. I tested that out and it works. But I don't really have to do it with these two colors because I like how they look on me. The other thing that I want to warn you about is if you happen to have dry lips and any little patchy spots of skin on your lips, the color is going to gravitate to those dry patches. Or let's say maybe you had some dry skin that flaked off, and you've got this nice fresh skin underneath, it will gravitate to those areas and look darker. So I would just recommend that you gently exfoliate your lips and keep them nice and moisturized ahead of time. You don't want to use that right before using this, because you need to apply these to clean dry lips. So just make sure your lips are in good shape. The nice thing was that a couple hours later, the color had held, and I was going to do another check like in the evening, which I forgot to do, but I woke up the next morning and I still had that nice pink stain on my lips. So it really does last a long time. You can drink out of a glass and it won't leave lip marks on there. You can drink coffee, it's not going to leave it on a mug. You can eat a meal, and even if you happen to put lip balm or another lipstick over the top of it, that stuff may disappear, but the stain will remain on your lips. And so it really is something that is not going to transfer or leave your lips. And so I think it's a great product. Like I said, I got two of them. I'm really happy that I got both of them. The price seemed reasonable, especially when you think about how long the product lasts. And so I'm going to put a link for you in the space below. This is not a sponsored video, but I will put a link for you in the space below where I got mine on Amazon. If you want to comment about any experience you've had with using Wonderskin lip stain, I'd love to hear it. So I would encourage you to put your comments or questions in the comment section below. I hope I will see you again on Busy Being Jen. Thanks so much for watching, guys.